This is the installation of the Nautilus Variable Timing System, or NVTS, from Forward Controls Design and Swiss CNC. First step is to make sure that your firearm is clear and unloaded. We've already gone ahead and stripped this upper down. Once you've done so, we want to install the upper onto our vise, just as such. And now we're going to grab the Nautilus itself. So, looking at the Nautilus from the top down, we can see that there is a small arrow right there. And now when we take a look at the Nautilus from the sides, we'll see multiple notches along with an arrow right there. That arrow corresponds to position 1, or the starting position out of 12 for the adjustment. So to go ahead and start our alignment process, we want to make sure those two arrows are lined up. So we're going to go ahead and separate the Nautilus and adjust it over. To separate it, simply just push your finger through the center and pull apart. And now we're going to go ahead and get that top arrow and align it with the arrow on the bottom piece and just drop it together just like that. So as you can see, both of those arrows are perfectly lined up. Now looking at the Nautilus, you'll notice that it has a taper, and that tapered bottom is going to face or touch the shoulder of the barrel itself. So the tapered side is going to slide on just like this. We're going to go ahead and install that onto our barrel just like that. Now we're going to grab our muzzle device and hand tighten it on there to figure out where our adjustment currently is needed. As you can see, this is obviously not where we want the muzzle device. So to better explain how we adjust things, we're going to look at this diagram of a clock. So when adjusting, all of those notches that you saw on the Nautilus itself represent 1 hour on a clock of adjustment. So currently we're going to try to figure out where's our top port and then how many notches of adjustment we need to get it to our ideal position. Our ideal position is 1 o'clock. We're going to be looking at this clock as if we were aiming through our optic looking forward. So right now our top port is sitting at just about the 4 o'clock position. So to get it to our desired 1 o'clock position, from 4, we are simply going to add 8 notches of adjustment to get it to 12 plus 1. So we know we need 9 notches of adjustment to get it to where we need it to be. If our top port was sitting currently at 6 o'clock, we would simply add 6 notches of adjustment plus 1. If it was sitting at 9, we would add 3 plus 1. So we're going to go ahead and take off the muzzle device and the Nautilus and apply those 9 positions of adjustment and go ahead and check alignment then. So again, to take the Nautilus apart, just simply put your finger through the center and pull it apart. And so we know we need to go over 9 positions. We're on position 1, so that would bring us to the 10th position. There are 12 total positions, so the 10th position is going to be that third one from the end, the little one right there. So we're going to go ahead and get that top arrow on the Nautilus and align it with the 10th position, just like that. And as you can see, that is lined up with position 10. Now looking at the Nautilus here, you'll see that it's not sitting flush, but it is still completely flat and level now that it's adjusted over so many positions. So again, we're going to take the tapered end, face it to the shoulder of the barrel here, and install it on there. I'm going to take our muzzle device again and tighten that one on just to see where our alignment lands. So now you can see our muzzle device is sitting, our top port, pretty much exactly where we want it to be at that 1 o'clock position. Remember, we're looking at this clock and we're trying to get it at 1, so now when we apply torque, it should bring us perfectly aligned at that 12 o'clock. We're going to grab our torque wrench here, set at 25 foot-pounds, and go ahead and give it some torque. Now we're going to go ahead and check and see, and that is pretty much exactly where we want it to be. So, installing the upper back into the vise, we're going to take our breaker bar here now. We're not going to use a torque wrench to loosen the muzzle device as it can mess with the calibration. So we're going to loosen the muzzle device here, and we're going to leave the Nautilus on the barrel. We're going to grab some rock set right here. We are going to get just a drop of it on a cotton swab and apply it to the threads just a little bit. You don't need a ton of this stuff. And we're going to take another drop right there. And we're going to take our muzzle device and apply some to the threads inside the muzzle device itself. Now we're going to go ahead and thread the muzzle device back on to the barrel. And we're going to take our torque wrench and we're going to up the foot-pounds by about 2 to compensate for the extra resistance that the rock set is going to provide. And go ahead and apply torque. And now we'll go ahead and check our alignment one more time. And that is exactly where we want to be. We have the 12 o'clock port lined up. So now after about 24 hours of letting the rock set cure, you can go ahead and install your silencer if you're using a suppressor mount. If not, then you're all good to go, and that is the installation of the Nautilus Variable Timing System, or NVTS.